You can style it any way you want to. I got a mohawk right now. Big mohawk.
Look at Mo.
Okay, let's see who can make the fastest plate of dinner.
I don't have any fresh.
Dinner food. You can use all the tools you have here on the table and see who can make a plate of food for dinner the fastest with the Play-Doh sets that you have provided. One meal is going to go to the dinosaur and the other meal is going to go to the mouse. Okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You guys have 5 minutes. On your marks, get set, go!
I woke up Pichu play date. Pichu would like to show all his Play-Doh toys today. Look. And first, we're gonna start with this box. So what we have in this box? You get these pieces, little pieces. Let's put them together. Crumble. Get the white Play-Doh and put it in his teeth, and you can teeth, and you get him a tongue. And then we got this. It's like the dentist. It's just the Play-Doh dentist set. So you can, if you would like, you can get him like black Play-Doh or like green or red, crazy, like be as wild and crazy as you want. Also, you can get this at Walmart. And if you want to, you can be wild and pretend it's like cavity or something's wrong with the grandpa's teeth. So you can reel it out. No, Walmart.com. Or Walmart.com, yes. And with this, you can make braces with it on the teeth.
Okay, what else you guys got in that box?
A toothbrush.
A toothbrush.
The clipper things, the clips. You can pull out the teeth. And here's
tweezer looking things.
And then the teeth maker.
A mold for the teeth.
No, Mom. Some are small.
Look,
it says how much things come in the side. So yeah, that should be
everything. So these are the things you can do with it.
And make it!
Yeah, let's make it.
And choose every guy. Oh yeah, we have 2.
He has 2 of them.
No, Papi and Mommy. One for him. No, Mommy, and
okay, what
Papi.
Else? What other Play-Doh stuff do you have?
Child.
The dinosaur?
Yeah, look.
Okay.
Look, you can make molds on him. And Papa. No, Pichu. Well, yeah. Look, there's molds. And then look, you open his mouth, you can make a little mold there. And look this. Look how cool that is. You can make spikes for him, even more spikes than there already is.
Cool.
And then there's little dragonfly, a ladybug, a frog, a snail. Okay, and we also have this learning Play-Doh set. Perfect for playing and for learning. Perfect for learning. And the Papa.
You're gonna make potatoes?
Oh yeah. We also have this thing you can make potatoes. Let's push down. Let's show them. He mixes his Play-Doh. Okay, so let's open the learning Play-Doh set. So first we have this green Play-Doh. It goes up to 1 to 10. It goes up to 1 to 10, but he loses his a lot. But this is what we found. We have number, like I said, number 1, number 7.
Okay, numbers 1 to 10.
Number 9.
All right, let's show how to make the teeth here.
White.
White. Do you have white in here?
No. Wait,
Let me see, open it.
No, he mixes his Play-Doh.
All right, let's make a couple teeth.
Okay, let's make some teeth. This one's gonna have cavities since he mixes his Play-Doh, I guess. It's gonna have, he must have ate some pizza, pepperoni, pepperoni. So this is how you put it in there, and then you close it. however long you would like. Take it off, take all the excess off. And then you get the perfect mold of a tooth.
Good job.
And then you can put it in his.
Pichu, you want to make some teeth?
Yeah. Here. You make some teeth.
Okay. How about you make the braces?
Me?
How about Pichu makes the braces? It comes with this.
You have to do
and you
that
can
when
make
you're done with it.
braces. Make the teeth.
Okay. Me green. Green places. Green plates. Milk dirty. We made the blanket. Okay, got another tooth. Move. Where's my Play-Doh?
Good job.
Oh yeah, that's the braces. Good job. When he mixed it.
A mint looking color.
Yeah, because he mixed it. And it looks like
Rainbow dollar.
Oh yeah, that's like a rainbow.
Rainbow dollar.
A rainbow color.
Bleach
But the original color is on the box. You want to show them, Mommy?
It comes with white. The colors come with white, red, and green. Okay, let's make a pizza.
Jan. Need more to drop over you. No,
That's
she
good.
drop. She need
He needs this.
Okay, get a Play-Doh. Here's another Play-Doh.
He's gonna have a rainbow tooth. He has a brown tooth.
You're gonna put that in there in the grill. He has a little mini Play-Doh grill.
Yeah. Hey, look at me. Look at the bar. Me talking the bar, the rainbow bar. Talking the rainbow bar. Let me look me talk
Oh,
bar
look how
rainbow.
pretty.
You bar
Push
rainbow.
it together.
It's like a rainbow burger. That's what made his teeth so rainbow. Right?
It's all squished in there. Let's see what Moody has going on over here.
I already started the teeth.
She got the tongue, the teeth on the bottom
We
rack.
done.
Now she's doing the
We
top.
done. I did a bone into art.
Oh, what's that?
To art.
It's too hot. It's
Yeah.
gonna burn you. It's gonna burn you. Be careful.
Now me talking it.
Are we cooking it?
Look. You also want to bag. You also one.
You're gonna make another one?
Yeah. We need a plate. We need a plate. Okay, we will go. Now we need dirty rainbow. Need dirty rainbow. We making new daddy.
You're making spaghetti?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is another kit you can get from the lunch. This is there's two different lunch ones. This is the big lunch one. You can make spaghetti, noodles, beans, onions, many different things. I'm gonna use this, a brownish orange.
You ready?
Yep, I'm ready. Go ahead.
Rainbow, rainbow new daddy.
It's all rainbow.
Rainbow.
How cool.
We like
And you got noodles on the side, a Bugs Bunny,
Bugs Bunny.
shrimp, mushroom, noodles, train.
Need knife. Need knife.
There's broccoli on this side.
You got,
Look.
you got a dinosaur set here, the dentist set. You have a minion. Where's the minion at?
The minion.
You have a minion Play-Doh set,
Oh, and then
which is like
and look, you can do his
a
hair.
halula,
I have to show you. I need the rainbow. I want to make
and his hair comes out of the top.
I want to make him some rainbow hair.
He has a grill, the Play-Doh grill, and he has another Play-Doh food set, the blue one.
Hey guys, ready?
Right, we're gonna do the minion.
Rainbow ale, rainbow ale, rainbow ale.
You can style it any way you want to.
you
You got a mohawk right now. Big mohawk.
Look a Mo.
I want to do it like ponytail.
Look a Mo.
It's gonna be
It looks like Mo.
The Ryan Mo.
Ryan's Mo.
that's the style of this little minion girl's hair for today.
Oh yeah, let me do tea. Let me make some tea.
Okay, you're cooking over here. Let's see what he's cooking.
This guy's he's gonna have to be missing 3 teeth. I'm gonna pretend this guy is missing 3 teeth because he eats these things. So he's
Okay,
missing
let's see
3
who can make the fastest plate of dinner.
I don't have inspiration.
Dinner food. You can use all the tools you have here on the table and see who can make a plate of food for dinner the fastest with the Play-Doh sets that you have provided. One meal is going to go to the dinosaur and the other meal is going to go to the mouth. Okay?
1, 2,
You
3,
guys
4, 5.
You guys have 5 minutes. On your marks, get set, go!
You daddy.
I don't want to lose.
We can win. We did win. Think me win.
Okay. One little left.
Do you want to watch me? Jesus.
No.
What are you making?
Really
What are you making? Good job. Keep going.
I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose. So I'm going to go extra fast.
You guys have 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Hurry up. Hurry.
I have 2 plates right now. But you have way more than me.
1 minute. 1 minute.
No! I'm gonna hurry up. Mama's not that long. I have 5. I need. Oh, I know. The thing breaks. No, stop. Hey, Dutchie. He's cutting fast. He's like, I need losing. He's like, I need losing. I'm gonna eat that little. Come on.
30 seconds.
Papa.
27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Hands off the plate. Hands off the plate.
That wasn't fair.
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 Hands off the plate.
That wasn't fair. He cut my food.
Okay, let's check. Let's check and see.
I need to fix
That's okay. Let me see. Smush it together and then you don't touch it. Let's see what everybody has here. Okay, Pichu, bring your plate here to the other side. All your plates.
the judgmental place.
Right here.
Pichu, come sit down. Come over here,
Let's
Pichu.
look. Sit
Yes,
down next to your
plates.
plates.
I smushed everything together.
How many plates you have, Moody Moody?
2.
Okay, first is Moody Moody.
So,
You want to tell us a little bit about your plate?
yeah, this one I have 4 green beans right here. It was supposed to be a blueberry, but I couldn't get all of it off. And this is a little orange. What is this called? Lasagna piece.
A lasagna noodle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And a sausage.
A sausage. Okay, we have here on this plate.
Mashed potatoes with a mushroom on top.
Oh, wow.
Strawberry, a piece of pineapple, an onion, and oh, that was a burger. This was mashed potatoes. This is a mushroom on a burger, and this is my mashed potatoes.
Okay, guys, let's remember the challenge is who has the many pieces of food.
Whose team are you on?
Okay, Pichu, Pichu, Pichu. Pichu.
Green bean.
Let's see what you have here.
Green bean.
Green bean. What's that?
Pichu.
A strawberry.
Strawberry.
Fresa.
Pichu. And sausage.
A sausage.
And no daddy.
Spaghetti.
And rainbow burger.
A rainbow burger. And a mushroom. You have blueberries.
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
And
Another burger.
yeah.
Another burger.
Another year.
Oh, sorry. And what's this? Spaghetti or French fries?
Daddy.
Spaghetti.
And also
Another strawberry.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Tell us who you think we won.
Whose team are you on? Team Big Sister or Team Little Bro? Team Big
I'm
Sis
on.
or Team Little
I am on. Yum, yum, yum. Let's see who. If he wants this, if he wants your food, then he'll be the judge. Put the food in the mouth. Go ahead.
His
Oh.
teeth fell out. His teeth fell out. Eat your teeth.
Oh. Me want food. Me want food. Put food in my belly. Food in my belly.
We got rebel Jew.
That one was good. Okay, me want to try the other one.
This one?
Oh,
He's throwing up.
that one does not taste good.
He's throwing
Those
up.
mashed potatoes don't look good.
He's throwing up.
Blah, blah, blah. Okay, Pichu,
He
your
lost a
turn.
lot of teeth eating.
Energy.
I want more food. Oh, I got stuck in my mouth.
I'll feed you some spaghetti.
No! Mama. Rebel.
His finger.
Rebel. Rainbow.
He's hungry. Let him eat.
Me want sausages. Sausage. Okay, good job.
What's a mess?
Okay, and he says that he don't like your mashed potatoes, my Moody. He don't like your mashed potatoes, and he loved Pichu's food. Pichu the most. So I think Pichu's the winner this round.
Aw, man.
Okay. You lose. We win. No, trophy. No, trophy.
Okay, guys.
Bye. Wait, make sure to like and subscribe and
Thank you.